Welcome to Echoes of Oddbo, the podcast exploring the strange, the mysterious, and the curious. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into the wild side of nature, 4 animals that are way smarter, stranger, and more unbelievable than you might think. Yep, we're talking crows, rabbits, polar bears, and snails. These aren't just cute or slow creatures, they're basically the superheroes of the animal kingdom. Picture this. You're in the park, tossing a chip wrapper on the ground, and a crow swoops down to grab it. Not to eat, mind you, but because it remembers you helped it pick up a screw last week. Or maybe you're taking a calm walk with your dog, and suddenly a group of rabbits scatters like little superheroes, just because you accidentally snapped a twig. Nature's drama is real, folks. So buckle up, because these guys are packed with secrets that feel like black tech. First up, crows, bird-brained Sherlocks and streetwise geniuses. Don't underestimate those black birds cawing in your city corners. These guys are seriously smart, intelligence on par with primates. Their social lives? Complex doesn't even begin to cover it. Recent 2025 research shows crows can use tools, solve puzzles, remember stuff, and even navigate social networks like toddlers doing, loud counting, to understand numbers. And get this. If a crow kills one of its own, the group might team up to punish or exile it. A real-life, feathered, justice system. Even more mind-blowing, they understand death. When a buddy dies, they hold what looks like a funeral, making low calls for days and checking out the body to figure out what happened, so they don't repeat mistakes. Scientists have seen them, holding meetings, about these events, basically the FBI of the bird world. Crows are social, too. Even after leaving home, many still check in on their parents or help care for unhatched eggs. They're also die-hard romantics, usually one mate for life. Till death do us part, crow style. Oh, and a 2025 study revealed that crows can even understand basic geometry and teach each other about humans. They form a human reputation system, who's a friend, who's an enemy, spreading the word across the flock. The kicker? Face recognition. Crows remember your face for up to 5 years. Feed one a crumb, and it might gift you a shiny bottle cap or feather. Hurt one, and it won't forget. Soon, you might be dive-bombed by a crow squad, even if you're wearing a mask. They can tell who you are by eyes and gait. Lesson here. Treat birds nicely, or you could land on the crow blacklist. Next time a crow stares at you, don't freak out, it's probably checking your cred score. Next, let's hop over to rabbits, fragile yet high-efficiency survival experts. These little guys look soft and cuddly, but they're actually extreme survival machines. Bad news first, they can't vomit. Eat something toxic, and it's up to their metabolism to deal with it. That's why pet rabbits need strict diets. Their teeth? Growing nonstop for life. Without chewing rough stuff like hay, their teeth can overgrow, making eating impossible, or even puncturing the jaw. So, no feeding mainly carrots or fruits, unless you want a rabbit with bamboo shoot teeth. Their vision is nearly 360 degrees, and their nose is a smell expert. But their mouth? Taste Pro Max. They can detect hundreds of subtle plant flavors to avoid poison. Ears rotate 180 degrees for listening and cooling. Loud noises can trigger extreme stress, sometimes even fatal heart issues. Heat stress affects their physiology and reproduction, but natural supplements like date palm seeds help. And reproduction? Rabbits are efficiency champions. Multiple litters a year, 4 to 12 kits per litter, and the young can reproduce just weeks after birth. Their ovulation is triggered by mating, not cycles. That's why breeding like rabbits isn't just a saying. Next time you see a bunny hopping, give it a quiet moment, let it enjoy its taste party. Now, polar bears, Arctic swimmers and climate adapters. Think their fur is white? Optical illusion. Each hair is a transparent hollow tube that scatters light, hence the snowy look. It's insulating and waterproof. These guys are basically marine mammals, spending over half their lives in the water. One mother swam 9 days straight, 687 kilometers of icy Arctic water. Beijing to Shanghai, in water. No wonder they're called Arctic Rangers. With climate change, polar bears' habitat overlaps with grizzlies, producing rare hybrids called growler or pizzly bears. Only 8 known hybrids as of 2025, but melting ice might increase this number. Hybrids are healthy but face adaptation challenges. This raises questions about species boundaries, evolution or climate warning. Next time you watch a documentary, admire more than their cuteness. These are survival machines. Finally, snails, slow-motion deadly killers and biological armor. Over 60,000 species, from rainforests to Antarctica. Slow? Yes. Harmless? Not always. Cone snails have harpoon-like teeth that inject deadly venom, enough to kill fish or even humans. Some toxins are being used in medical research to create better painkillers and heart drugs. And yes, they have teeth, over 14,000 per tongue in some species. Auger snails' teeth are harder than titanium and tougher than spider silk. Imagine cats with those teeth. Earth might be cat planet. Some snails can even walk on knife edges, glide across water, and hibernate for months or years. Their slow life? Maximum adaptability, from Antarctic ice to tropical reefs. From crows' social justice and geometric brains, to snails' armor and pharmaceutical potential, from rabbits' ever-growing teeth and stress coping, to polar bears' transparent camouflage and hybrid warnings, these animals remind us life on Earth is endlessly inventive. They may not have human language or tech, but they understand the world, remember grudges, avoid danger, reproduce efficiently, and even adapt to climate change. Next time you see a crow staring at you, or a snail slowly crawling on your windowsill, pause and appreciate it. Real superpowers are often hidden in the most unassuming creatures. Stay curious, the world just got way more interesting. Thanks for listening to Echoes of Oddbo. Stay curious, and see you next time.